Hello everybody. So welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about the Dockerfile and we will deploy an application using Dockerfile. Okay. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay. So what is Dockerfile? So I'll say in a simple terms actually. So Dockerfile is nothing but it is a text file which consists of setups instruction to create the custom image, right? A Docker file from which the container can be created. It consists of arguments and instruction we can use to get the task done, right? Let's suppose you're working for Netflix from where your developers comes to you saying that we need to deploy the app in Ubuntu with 100 dependencies. So now since you are DevOps engineer, it's very difficult for you to download all the dependency in container and so on. So developer will say, okay, fine, let me share you with the Docker file. You just need to execute the Docker file to get the task done, right? So in this manner Docker file will help us. Okay, so when you execute Docker file, it creates image from which the container can be created, right? So yeah, so let me explain with an example. Okay, so I believe in example actually. I believe in it practically instead of theoretically. If we do the practically, it will be more helpful actually. We will remember more than the theoretically. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the practically.